kayak, something like that. Yeah. And we're going towards Athens, Alimos Marina. We've got 3 days there. Yeah, currently going out, doing a bit of sailing. Yeah, something happened to Greek weather. Since we arrived, it's been not very good.
Finally, we are sailing along, getting over 7.5 knots. We've got one reef in the main, and the Genoa is even before the reef. We get about 7.5, 6 knots. We've got 12 knots true, with apparent of 13.7 at around 50 degrees. It's cold and we're heading towards Athens. Yeah, we've got the sails up. Let me show you the sails. They're not pretty, guys. We're flapping now a little bit. I think we've lost a little bit of speed. The wind has changed a little bit. Oh, yeah, we're down to 4.75 knots. So it's good. Finally. This is what we came for. Baby, this is what we came for.
Just approaching Alimos Marina. The wind condition, the weather conditions have changed. It's raining now. Everybody's heading for the marina, so it's going to be carnage. We're boats coming in all directions. We've got 6 boats coming, 7 boats coming this way, 1 behind us. So we're all going to be coming in at the same time. Hopefully it's less windy when we're there, but it's amazing how much this spray hood helps. So we're down the end. This is huge marina. It's like 1,000 berths or something.
Excellent, James. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
We have successfully docked in Alimos Marina with some help. Our first time in Athens by boat. It's very big. Kids eating chocolate already, impatient. It's very big, lots of boats. Very busy. We have had a very special delivery just now.
Special delivery.
Let me show the special delivery.
Schenker Zen.
I wonder what that is.
Oh, I know what it is. A Watermaker.
Not bad. Not too bad, considering there's a 4-week wait for these in Greece, at least.
We got it from Athens, from Draco's Yacht Services, right?
So we got this in a week, wasn't it? It took a week.
Yeah. So
when we got told it would be available for us in Liros.
Yeah.
So just over a week.
Yeah, it's exciting. Our Watermaker.
Big celebration tonight, isn't it? We just arrived in Alimos Marina. Not just arrived, but we're here. We thought we were going to wait months for our Watermaker. It's here on the same day we arrive in Alimos Marina. Amazing. So now we're just going to go out for some food to celebrate such a great success. The Greek god of Poseidon. We went and saw Poseidon's temple yesterday and he delivered. Hey Luigi, look at this man, look at this man. He got no money, man. No money. Not even for pizza. But he's got a boat. No money.
It's food time. With some country sausage. Croquettes.
Where's Jason's sauce?
Salad, nice, good. Really nice honey mustard dressing.
going over this massive bridge thing. Only people in Greece going over it. We want to go to Nautilus, which is just there, but we're going the wrong way over the bridge.
You see Marina over there? This is the waterfront from Athens. Busy road. So this is next to Alimos Marina. Oh, it's bouncy.
James, you're bouncing the bridge.
Bouncy.
Yeah.
It looks actually a lot calmer out there now to compare to when we came. Beach,
Yeah, it's a lot calmer now. Look, there's a beach.
which we're not going to right now.
It's not working. Press the button now. Press it. Press the button. So, Schenker then. Let's see what's in the box. Box opening.
Box opening of Schenker. Oh, Schenker Zen. Schenker is an Italian company with a German name.
Das ist gut, ja?
And in Italian?
It's going to be good, yeah. Italian. Mamma mia. Absolutely fantastic.
Bella, bella.
Bella, bella. Ciao, baby. Just have a look because we're here in Athens for 3 days. And I want to make sure I get everything I need to make this install. What we got here then? It's like opening a new iPhone.
Wow, so much packaging.
Yay.
So good for the planet.
That's it, look, it's good. Oh, this is good for the planet. Schenker Italia. It's all in Italiano. Do not stir the machine below 5 degrees. Is that 5 degrees temperature? Not 5 degrees latitude.
What's that for?
This is for water to the tanks.
Oh, such a small tube.
Yes, only do a little bit of water. Some foam
What's the phone for?
to stop vibrations and stuff. That's to open up filter. Some goodies, some bolts. Useful when making water. Washers and stuff. And some brackets. So this is how to fix it down. This is the carbon filter. Maximum 8 bar, minimum 0.5. Electrical connections to make. That would be a valve to open when it's doing a flush, is my assumption there. And these are all 16mm hoses, I believe. This would be pressurized hose because it's coming from the pressurized system on the boat. Yeah, carbon filter, electro valve that opens when it's doing the flush. More goodies. Oh, look.
Sweets.
Plumber's dream. If you wanted to plumb it into the tank, you drill a hole and then tap that into the tank hole and then put the plumbing on there.
But we're not going to do that.
No, we're going to plumb it into the non-pressurized heart side of our water. Install vertically. Like that. Like that. Whee, like that. Ooh. Flying. Is that vertical? Like that, right? Like that. Vertically, what? Yeah, but what? This bit? Or this bit vertically?
It's probably in instructions, right? Like how to do it and stuff. Really good manual, really shiny paper, must have been quite expensive. So what is this thing?
This is a sea strainer.
Any little crabs?
Yeah, and the
things?
little
Animals.
tiny little fish get stuck in there. Have to get them out and feed them. Nurse them back to health and put them back in the sea. My little fishes. Schenker. Where should we fit that?
What the buttons say? Show me.
On, off, flushing. It's like here, no?
Makes sense.
A lot of people go, oh, I'm gonna put a load of stuff out here on show. No thanks.
Come and show me the shiny buttons.
Right. Every time you press it, you gotta go and get a dust cloth and clean it.
I probably will.
Shiny. So all these pumps and stuff need to fit somewhere.
Oh wow, that's like a piece of art, isn't it?
So the hose.
So what's this beauty? Heavy. This is the pump. Where's it made? In China?
Yeah, without doubt.
What's that? Connections.
This is the connection for the control.
Does it come with a testing kit for the purity of water?
No.
Filter. What does 5
That
micron
filters
filter do?
out smaller particles.
Oh, that's after the water is clean, or is it?
No, that's before. This is meant to just filter out salt. So you've got the gauze one, which will filter out jellyfish, shark.
Oh yeah, we talked about the small
Whales
fish that we're going to destroy and all the marine life.
Yeah, but it stops you from sucking up a dolphin. And then this one, it filters out sound or...
So look, oh that's the filter. Oh, does it smell like? Hugo Boss.
How
often do you change that?
I believe the carbon filter replacement time is quite fixed. I believe what I've read is the carbon filters are serviced based on time when they are wet. Something around 6 months or year or something like that. Need to check. Write in the comments, let me know. But these filters will be based on when they get full. You'd normally find throughput would go down. On this gauge here, the pressure gauge or something, I think you will notice that it goes down. Fresh water will come out of there from this, and then we will need to make, which I don't think is included in here, we'll need to find a T-piece to connect into, because we've got 3 pipes coming out of our tanks into one. So 3 valves connected into one pipe, which then goes through a Jabsco strainer and then goes through the pressurizing pump and then goes into a pressure container thing. Before the pump, I need to cut that, put in a T-piece and connect this. The pressure of this won't go through the pump, but should push the water back up into the tanks. So the level of the water should be refilled backwards. Clean water.